it's Shiori Thomas here from Shiori's World, and today's video is gonna be making slime. Yay! So this is the most requested thing in my channel. So now here it is, slime. Yay! So feel free to comment or like if you like, cause if you like slime, leave in the comment down below and push the like button. And subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. So now let's get started. So I'm gonna put some glue in, and it's 2 cups. Wow. But you have to use, if you don't have enough of the glue, then you have to put both of them in the bowl. So next is the baking soda. You need half tablespoon, or you can use a 1/4 cup. I meant a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm so sorry. So next, you need to do your water. So next, you need a 1/4 teaspoon of water. Then you need to mix it. See, look at that. So next, all you need is a 1/4 teaspoon of baby oil. Next, you'll have to need a half cup of cornstarch. Then next, you'll have to need some 5 pumps of foaming hand soap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, you'll have to need some a half cup of shaving cream. Okay, so I'm going to get this out of the way. Now, all you need is to put it like that. Okay, now next we need to mix it. Mix. Look at that. Mix. This looks, do you think it looks like whipped cream or marshmallow fluff? Leave in the comments section below. Mix. All done. So now you'll have to need a half tablespoon of laundry detergent. then we can add some food coloring. We can add some food coloring or paint, because these are optional if you want in your slime. So I'm gonna do pink, and I'm gonna do green, because I've never done green, so that's why I'm gonna do it now. So all you need is a little bit of drops. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. I put 3 drops. Now all we need to do is just mix it. Ooh, look at that. Yes, it's coming up. Yay. The slime is here. Yeah, boy. Look at all the slime. This is fun when you're making slime. I need to do a lot more slime. Now let me see the test is. It's a little sticky though. Sticky slime. Blah. So guys, if you like this video, put it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun videos. And even I will put a comment down below, so I can show it to y'all guys and y'all can answer them. So what kind of things do you want me to make? Leave it on the comments below if you want us to have a pizza challenge or a soda challenge. So bye, see you soon. Come back every day on Shiori's World. Bye everybody. Visit my channel and subscribe for more videos. Dun, 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 dun.